Hello everyone! You're on the Miss Binary Trading channel. Today, I want to share a few of my personal trading life hacks. But first, a little theory. I always say, discipline is the foundation. That's exactly what allows me to earn consistently. I never treat trading as easy money. For me, it's a job. Hours spent analyzing charts, studying, and testing new strategies. Usually, I try out ideas first on a demo account, and only after that I move to real trades, starting with just $1. But I also have proven strategies that I sometimes trade with larger amounts, if the market conditions are right. And today looks like just the right day. I'm checking my signal preset settings. Everything matches. Perfect. That means we're going big. Let's place a $1,000 order with 1-minute expiration. We'll be entering trades right after the indicators cross, as long as the signal gives the same forecast as the white moving average indicator. We're starting with a deposit of $78,877. Let's begin. I choose the asset, open the chart, see the indicator crossover, and notice the white moving average pointing up, which matches the signal, opening a buy trade. While we wait for this trade to close, let me quickly show you how to set things up. Select a candlestick chart with 15 seconds, or 30 if you prefer. Then add the first indicator, moving average with period 2, and make it white. The second indicator has period 5, keep it green. Don't forget to save your setup. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I personally reply to everyone. By the way, many of you often ask what deposit size is best to start with. I always recommend starting small, so there's no psychological pressure. Even $50 and $100 is a good start. The main thing is to build discipline. Trust me, greed is a trader's worst enemy. Another very common beginner mistake is trading without keeping stats. Seriously, at least log your trades in Excel, asset, time, result, and notes. This helps you see what's really working. And don't underestimate demo accounts. They're super useful for polishing your strategy before going live. The trade has closed and my deposit has already updated. Great result! Let's open another one. First, pick the asset. Oh, look at this example. The indicator shows price going down, but the signal says up. That's a contradiction. I won't risk it. Sometimes it happens, and it's okay to skip a trade. Oh! Found a new setup very quickly. Everything aligns perfectly, opening a sell trade. While we wait again, here's another tip. I often use a timer or even a simple alarm clock so I don't stare at the screen 24/7. For example, I set 1-2 hours of trading, then take a break. It keeps your head clear and reduces the chance of impulsive mistakes. And another thing, don't think that big trades always bring bigger profits. Sometimes consistent small trades, $5, $10 each, actually give better results over the week than one big risky trade. And I'm curious, what trade size feels comfortable for you? For some, it's $1. For others, $50. Everyone has their own level. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Every week I share different strategies on this channel and test new ones. Today, I've shown you one of the most effective strategies that I personally trade. You'll find the promo code for signals and the broker link in the description. Another trade has just closed, and remember, my starting balance was $78,877. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.